In this video, we are going to talk about recording your podcast and getting it onto SoundCloud. So you can record your podcast any way that you want. You could use your computer, you could use your phone, you could use a headset. However you want to do it is fine. I'm going to show you the ways that you can get it onto SoundCloud. That way we can get it published and get it onto your Google site. The first way that I'm going to show you how to record your podcast is using a Microsoft computer and using the voice recorder. So down here in the search box, I'm going to type in record, and it says voice recorder app. And we want to select the voice recorder app. We want to tell it yes, so it can access the microphone. And all I have to do is hit the record button, and now you can see that I am recording my voice and recording a podcast. So no editing necessary, we're just speaking, so you can go through and record this whole thing. So I'm going to stop. So there is my recording. So to get my recording into SoundCloud, I'm going to right click and I can rename it. I'm going to call this Draft 1. That way I can keep track of all the different versions of my podcast I have, because you will have several by the time you're done. Next, I'm going to right click again and tell it to open file location. And when the file location opens, you see here is your podcast. Next, I'm going to sign into my SoundCloud account. And I'm already signed in. Now I need to upload my podcast. So up here on the upper right hand corner next to my name where it says upload, I'm going to click that. On this screen I need to pull up the location of my podcast file. So I'm going to click the little file icon down here and I can drag and drop. And it just uploads it automatically. And now it's done processing. So I have Draft 1, I've got it set to public, so I could post it on my Google site and everybody can see it. And if I want to upload an image, I can add an image there. That's something you might want to consider doing with your final draft. And then I'm going to hit save. So they have where you can edit your track if you want to do that. Not necessary. I'm going to click go to my track. And now you see I have my Draft 1 and it is posted in SoundCloud. From there, you will be able to take your podcast from SoundCloud and embed it into your online portfolio. I will cover that in another video. Let me know if you have any other questions.